Hey guys, so this is my 4.8 homework help video. The only one that was asked on 4.8 was number 6. And this one says f of x equals, so they're not actually numbered, they're lettered. So f of x is the one that we're on. It goes a, b, c, d, e, f. And it gives you this equation, and then it says, given that x equals -2 is a root. So what you're going to do is take that -2 and use synthetic division with -2 in the box and the coefficients from the equation. Okay, and then what you're going to do for synthetic division is you take the first number and it drops straight down, and you take whatever number is down here and you multiply it by the number in the box. So that's going to be 1 times -2. That's -2. And then you add those together, and 2 minus 2 is 0. And then -2 times 0 is 0. So whatever number is here, you multiply by the number in the box. So that's why I'm taking 0 times -2, that's 0. 3 plus 0 is 3. 3 times -2 is -6. And those add to 0 in the end. If it's saying that it is a root, then this should always be 0. If it's not, then something's probably gone wrong. Go double check your numbers, maybe some negatives, maybe some adding, etc. And then what you're going to do is turn this back into a polynomial. So this is your constant. The next one to the left is your x. And then the last one on here is the x squared. If we needed to keep going to x cubed or x to the fourth, we would if there were more numbers. So I really got x squared, not x cubed. That's what happens when you talk and write at the same time. And we want to set that equal to 0. So then I would subtract 3 from both sides, and I would get x squared equals -3. And then I want to do the square root on both sides to get rid of the squared. Now, whenever you do a square root, you have to do plus and minus. And there is no square root of 3, so I'm going to leave that as the square root of 3. But whenever you have a negative inside the square root, you need to add an I. And those are your remaining roots. Because the one that worked was -2. This gives me 2 more, the positive and the negative, and that adds up to 3, which is good because my exponent in the beginning was x to the third.